Hey there, Trevor here. Welcome back to our channel where we explore the essential aspects of running a successful WordPress or WooCommerce website. Today's topic is one that's often overlooked but is vital to your site's success: selecting the right web host. So stick around till the end to discover how to simplify your hosting and also support with a specialized solution from DoubleDome. So let's start by understanding the risks of having a bad host. So if you've ever experienced slow loading times, frequent downtimes, or security breaches, you know how frustrating it can be. But did you know that these issues can be traced back to your hosting provider? Then there's also slow loading times. So a bad host can lead to slow loading times, frustrating visitors, and harming your SEO rankings. Imagine losing potential customers just because your site takes a few extra seconds to load. Then there's also frequent downtime. So unreliable hosting means your site might be down when potential customers try to visit. This not only leads to lost sales, but also damages your brand's reputation. Then there's also security breaches. So poor security measures can leave your site vulnerable to hackers, risking sensitive data and damaging your reputation. Security breaches can have long-term consequences affecting customer trust and also legal compliance. Now let's shift our focus to the benefits of choosing a good host. First of all, we have speed. So a good host ensures fast loading times, enhancing user experience and boosting SEO. So speed matters in today's fast-paced digital world, and a good host ensures that your site keeps up. Then there's security. So robust security measures protect your site from malicious attacks, giving you peace of mind. A secure site is a trustworthy site, and that's what customers look for. Then there's reliability. So with a reliable host, you can count on your site being available when your customers need it. Reliability builds trust and also ensures that your online business runs smoothly. But it's not just about speed and security. Having a support person who can work directly with your hosting team is invaluable, and this single point of contact ensures, well, a few things. First of all, we have faster issue resolution. So no more bouncing between support teams. One contact means faster solutions, saving you time and also stress. Then there's also expertise. So a dedicated support person understands your site and also can provide tailored solutions. Their expertise also ensures that issues are resolved correctly and efficiently. Then there's of course peace of mind. So knowing that someone is there to handle hosting issues lets you focus on growing your business. This peace of mind is priceless in today's complex digital landscape. If all of this sounds overwhelming, don't worry. DoubleDome offers a specialized WordPress and WooCommerce hosting for our support clients, providing a single point of contact between hosting and support. This unique approach makes life easier and also resolves issues faster. With DoubleDome, you get the speed, security, and support you need all in one place. So why wait? Click the link below to explore DoubleDome's WordPress and WooCommerce support solutions. When you sign up, you can opt for DoubleDome to host your website as well and get back to work on your business. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit. Remember, the right hosting can make or break your online success. Until next time, keep your WordPress and WooCommerce sites thriving with the right hosting.